No, I knew that was going to happen. I said this was going to happen. If you got
a
on
massive.
camera.
All right, we're all back on our feet again.
Okay.
All right.
Was this the last run for the day? I think this needs to be for me.
I'm ready to quit whenever.
Anytime.
I'm ready.
I want to do that
Muerta.
Muerta thing once.
Okay, well, we'll wait on you downstairs now.
Okay.
You want me to go with you? I mean, I'm done, but I'll go.
I'll
It's up to you, whatever you want. I'll do it by myself, you know, I don't mind.
I'll go back up with you.
All right, you and Lindsay do it.
All right.
Is it real hard?
No.
No, it's really not a black.
It's called death, though.
Yeah.
I'll try real black at Sandia, maybe. I'm ready.
And we're off again. You know, this usual problem. I hope I'm recording and not.
I can never tell what I've got.
I know.
Particularly with dark glasses.
Yeah. I think I am. Awesome job.